Welcome back to English with Teacher Laura. Today we're going to talk about aspirated consonants. What is aspiration? Aspiration is just a fancy word for voiceless stops when they occur at the beginning of a word right before a stressed vowel. In English, there are 3 aspirated consonant sounds, p, t, and k. When they become aspirated, they become p, t, k. Let's take a look at some examples. With the word top, in order to get from t, ah, we have to add a small H sound. Ta, ta, top, top. Now let's look at cat. Cat, 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 cat. Let's look at kite. Kite, kite, kite. Now, let's look at pay. Pay, pay, pay. How do we know if we're doing it correctly? Well, let's take a piece of paper. And we are going to lightly hold it up to our mouth, so when we speak, if it's aspirated, the paper is going to move. Let's try some examples. Repeat the word with me. In English, one of the names for father or dad is Papa. The first P comes before the stressed vowel. So the first P is going to be Papa, Papa, Papa. Now, if we say it as a Spanish speaker would, Papa, Papa, Papa. There's no aspiration in Papa. We want Papa, Papa, Papa. Now let's look at another word, paper. In English, we say paper, 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 paper. In Spanish, the word for paper is papel, 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 paper, paper. Now let's look at the word taco. If we say it with an American English accent, we would say taco, 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 taco. If we say it like a Spanish speaker, we would say taco, 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 taco. There is no aspiration in the Spanish T. But in the English T, there is. Okay, if we look at the word Tokyo, Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Tokyo, 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 Tokyo. Now, if we say it with a Japanese accent, Tokyo, 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 Tokyo. The Japanese T is not aspirated, but the English T is. Tokyo, Tokyo. So when we have aspirated consonant sounds, they are going to have extra air being pushed out from the h sound, immediately following the consonant. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe below. And we'll see you next time with English with Teacher Laura. Adios.